Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the world of tech to make your digital life smoother and more efficient. Today, we're tackling a notorious issue that Windows 10 and 11 users might encounter, the dreaded critical process died blue screen error. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some tried and tested fixes. Let's get started. Before we proceed, it's crucial to understand that this error indicates a critical system process has stopped running, which could be due to various reasons such as faulty drivers, corrupted files, or hardware issues. Let's dive into the fixes. Fix number 1. Run the SFC and TISM commands. These tools help fix corrupted system files that might be causing the error. For doing that, type in CMD in the Windows search bar, then tap on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scan now and hit Enter. This process might take a while, so grab a coffee and hang tight. Next, type dism/online/cleanup image/restore health. Enter. Another waiting game, but it's worth it. Done with both? Great. Restart your PC and see if the blue screen beats favor. If it's still there, no worries, we have more tricks up our sleeve. Misbehaving drivers can cause all sort of chaos. Let's check them. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager from the list. Look for any devices marked with a yellow exclamation point. Right-click on them. Select Update Driver or Properties to roll back driver if the issue started after a recent update. Next, let's try a system restore to turn back time on your PC's settings. Type Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and open it. Click on System Restore and hit Next. Select a restore point created before the error started occurring. Then follow the prompts to start the restoration process. If the issue persists, ensuring your window is up to date can sometimes work miracles. Open Settings. Now click on Windows Update or Update and Security. Here, tried all the fixes and still facing the issue? It might be time for a clean Windows install or to seek professional help. That wraps up our guide to fixing the critical process died error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more helpful tech content.